Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. On vacation, Jill spends 1/4 of her money the first day. Then she spends 1/4 of the money she has left on the second day. She starts the third day with $180 left to spend. How many dollars did she have at the start of the vacation? Okay, according to the question, we have to find the amount of money in dollars she had at the start of vacation. So let me assume X be the amount of money in dollars. Let me write the stuff over here. Amount of money she had at the time of at the start of the vacation. Let me write it at the start of the vacation. Okay, let me finish writing. Okay, now let me take day one. So day one, she spends 1/4 of the money. So spend. So 1/4 of the money, that is 1/4 of the money she had at the start of the vacation, that is X dollars, that is 1/4 of X. Then what is remaining at the end of the first day? Let me write the stuff over here. So the remaining will be 3/4 of X, because this 4 has to be considered as the total parts. In these total 4 parts, one part she spends on day one. So 3 out of these 4 parts will be remaining. That is 3/4 of X is remaining at the end of day one. So this is the money she has left on the second day. Okay, now let me write day two. So on day two, 1/4 of the money she has left on the second day. So in this money, in this 3/4 of X, she spends 1/4 on day two. Let me write the stuff over here. Spend. So 1/4 of this money she has left for day two. That is 3/4 of X. Okay, so how much is remaining at the end of day two? Let me write the stuff over here. So remaining is. So remaining is going to be like again this 4 has to be considered as total parts. So in which one part she spends on day two. So remaining 3 out of these 4 parts. I mean 3 out of 3/4 of this money will be remaining. So that is 3/4 of this 3/4 of X will be remaining. Okay, now let's evaluate this expression. So 3/4. Whenever we have OF of in English, in math it can be converted to multiplication. That 3/4 times 3/4 of X. So 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 4 is 16. Then we get 9 over 16x. So this is the money she has left for the third day. According to the question, she starts the third day with $180 left. So in our calculation, we got that money she has left for the third day is 9 over 16 times x. X is the amount of money she had at the start of vacation. But according to the information around the question, she started the third day with $180. So this 9 over 16x and this $180, both of them represent the same stuff. That is the money with which she starts the third day. So we can equate 9 over 16 times x and 180, because both of them represent the same stuff. Now in this equation, we have to solve for x. So for that, we have to get rid of this fraction 9 over 16. So for that, I multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this fraction, that is 16 over 9. Let me write it over here. This 16 will cancel, 9 will cancel. 9 goes into 9 one times, 9 goes into 18 two times, and we have 0 here. So we get x equals to 20 times 16 is 320. So actually x represents the amount of money in dollars she had at the start of vacation. That's what we have to find. So she had $320 at the start of the vacation. We find this 320 in answer choice B. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.